Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today is just about cooking and eating. Just as the title suggests, we are getting ready for a big function, and so much of cooking is going on, as you can see there. Right from the beans, matoke, Irish, fish, all forms of foods. Yes, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're the best. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. I'm super, super thankful, and God bless you all. So we have so much going on. We have so many people here, family, volunteers, service providers, all kinds of people supporting and helping us in this to make this a success. Yes. So as I told you, I'm in the village. Expect so much of the village content. I'm just giving you, highlights and a few details here and there. Yes. Let me take you this side of the corral. Anyway, these are some of the cows we have at home. Others were in another paddock. And what I want you to know is all the milk that is being used at home currently is from these beautiful cows. Yes. And the beauty about these cows is they have a lot of milk. They give us really a lot of milk. Yes. Some of them were new, some were already old. Yeah, and all of these cows have names. Yes, not just in our home, but most homes, at least those that I know in the East, name their cows. Yeah, so you'll find a cow called Veronica, and it's named after me. Yes. So just know, and they always respond to their names. They know when you call the one of them with its name, it will just raise its head up and come. Yes. Anyways, that was just a by the way. Yeah. But anyway, all the things that we use at home, most of them are from our gardens. We have so many gardens. That's part of the banana plantation that we have. This is just next home. Others are not in this video, but I just wanted to give you a highlight of the things that are just next to home. Yes, so this is red pepper. Yes, some people like to add it into their soup. Yeah, for spicing. Ooh, this is, if you know me, you know what the time is about. This is matoke. Guys, you have no idea. It has been cooked in a big saucepan with banana leaves, as you can see. So this beautiful lady here is helping, and she's covering after mashing. It was mashed. Yes, I'm sorry I didn't give you a closer, let me try and see if I can put some light. So she's covering it up again so that she can put it back to, oh god, guys, we have electricity in the village, but right now it has disappeared, so pardon me for this dark. Okay, anyway, let's just continue. She's covering it back to steam again, as you can see. So she's using fresh leaves to cover at the top, and then add again more of the leaves that she used earlier to boil, and the whole point is to cover properly and also create to block all the spaces that the air can escape from. So we need that we need it to remain not just warm but hot. With matoke, things have to be hot. It has to be hot. That's when it's nice. Not even warm but hot. you serve it while when the steam is coming out. Yes. So I'm still continuing. I have that left to clear my cooking. I'm doing Irish bowls, as you see. This is the second round. I'm done with this. These are crunchy. And then we are boiling water for black tea. I don't know how you call it. Yeah, the black tea done with water and tea leaves and some few spices. Yes, for those who don't take milk. Yes, so my turkey is still being covered up. Then after being covered, they're going to put it back to the fire that you're seeing that side, so that, you know, to keep it hot. I said not even warm, but hot. So they'll just leave burning charcoal. Yes, and then as you can see, she's put it back. There you go. So there you go. So it can stay like that until time for dinner. So let me pause for now. And whoa, so at this time the tea was ready. The milk tea was ready. It is spiced up with our local spices, ginger, and the rest that I don't even know the names. So that is spiced milk tea. Yes, with tea leaves in sieved, and you know, yeah, well cooked. And you know what? It's from our cows. We didn't buy this from the supermarket. No, this is milk direct from the cows. Yes. Anyway, there's nothing sweet and nice like taking something organic into your body, you know, something original, something nice. Wow. Anyway, so let me show you. This is where they're getting it from the saucepan, which is just right there, and it is being sieved. And after being sieved, it's put straight to the flask when it's still hot. Anyways, I just wanted you to see the whole process. I hope you liked the video already. Anyways, this side I was busy preparing for my Irish bowls that I was going to cook, and right there is a saucepan which had nyama choma, and that's my auntie right there. Yes, so the fire was already burning, and I was just waiting for the saucepan that I was going to use for my Irish bowls. So at this point, everything was just ready to be served. Yes. If you have watched this video till this long, thank you so much. Oh my God. Like the video, please. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and please endeavor to always come back and support your girl. I know this is a bit dark, but I was the one doing the mix up, you know, mixing up that muchomo, making sure it's just on point, because it had to be eaten with the the Irish bowls. And some people would take drinks, soft drinks, and should I call them hard drinks? Okay, beers. So, to be honest, we did all we could to make sure that this was a success. Everyone had to eat. At least we had to make sure people would eat and leave. If possible, eat and pack, but not, feel like, they didn't get enough of this, or, they ate less of this. So we had everything in plenty. Yes, because functions are all about eating. Anyways, this is just a summary of how the day went. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing. Those who come back and support me by watching my videos, my God, thank you so much. May the good Lord bless you all. I love you so much. And I'm hoping to, see you in another video. Yes. See you guys in another video, and remember, take care of yourselves. We've entered a festive season. Let's stay safe. Ciao, ciao. I love you all. To do the cooking. Anyways, kindly like, share, comment if you reached this far with this video. I really appreciate you. May the good Lord bless you all. See you in another one.